Are you ready to save a bundle? At NAS, we understand the high costs that come with unexpected vehicle repairs. If you hit a pothole, for instance, do you really want to spend the money on new tires and wheels? Or how about replacing a lost or damaged key or remote? We know what it's like to be caught off guard and in these situations. So there's never been a better time to bundle and save with NAS's Ultimate Titanium Plus. Ultimate Titanium Plus is a protection solution that goes beyond the industry's basic coverage options to provide a broader mix of pre-selected benefits in a single plan. It is a simple and cost-effective solution to help keep your vehicle in showroom condition. This coverage plan bundles tire and wheel protection, cosmetic wheel repair, paintless dent repair, windshield repair protection, key remote replacement, and 24/7 roadside assistance. Bundling is a fantastic way to save money on our already affordable plans. There are advantages unavailable when purchased separately, resulting in significant savings and benefits. So don't miss out on valuable discounts and top-of-the-line coverage. Experience the benefits of Ultimate Titanium Plus from NAS today.